Hey sisters, I'm so excited you're here with me today because we're about to dive into one of the hottest beauty trends that's taking over social media and makeup counters everywhere. Welcome back. Or if you're new, hi. Whether you're a makeup pro or just starting out, you're in the right place to learn something fun and fresh. Today, we're diving into the juicy 3D lips trend that's everywhere right now. You've probably seen it on your feed. Those lips that look so plush and dimensional, you almost want to reach out and touch them. These lips aren't just glossy, they're sculpted, plump, and look like they're popping right off your face. It's all about creating that wow factor, making your lips the star of your look. It's all about using light and shadow to create an optical illusion of fullness. No needles needed. With just a few clever makeup tricks, you can totally transform your lips and boost your confidence. We'll combine overlining, contouring, and a high-shine gloss for that irresistible, juicy finish. I'll show you how to pick the right shades and layer your products for maximum impact. Anyone can achieve this look with the right products and a little practice. No matter your lip shape or size, these techniques are for everyone who wants to play up their pout. I'll walk you through every step, from prepping your lips to the final swipe of gloss. We'll talk about exfoliating, hydrating, and how to avoid common mistakes for a flawless finish. We'll cover the best products, color choices, and blending tricks for a seamless result. Plus, I'll share some of my favorite budget-friendly finds and pro tips to make your lips look extra juicy. This is about enhancing your natural beauty and having fun with makeup. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself and feeling good in your own skin. So grab your makeup bag and let's turn your lips into a work of art. Get comfy, get creative, and let's get started on your juicy 3D lips transformation. Why is everyone obsessed with juicy 3D lips? It's not just a passing trend. It's a beauty movement that's taken over our feeds, our makeup bags, and even our imaginations. These lips are everywhere, from red carpets to TikTok tutorials, and it's easy to see why. It's all about volume, dimension, and that fresh, radiant vibe. Juicy 3D lips look healthy, hydrated, and full of life, instantly drawing attention and making any look feel more modern and youthful. We've moved from flat, matte lips to dewy, high-shine looks that scream health and confidence. The difference is dramatic. Matte lips can look chic, but 3D lips have a way of making your whole face pop, adding a touch of glamour that feels effortless. This trend takes classic overlining and elevates it with contour and highlight for believable fullness. It's not just about making lips bigger, but about sculpting them to look naturally plush and multidimensional. The strategic use of dark and light shades adds depth you can't get with a single color. By blending and layering, you create the illusion of curves and softness, just like a pro makeup artist. It's like face contouring, but for your lips, stunning results every time. Suddenly, your lips have structure and shape, catching the light in all the right places. Plus, this look is made for the camera. Your lips catch the light and look dynamic in every selfie. Whether you're snapping a quick pic or filming a video, juicy lips always stand out and make you feel photo-ready. Juicy 3D lips are a statement, confident, on-trend, and playful. They let you experiment with color, shine, and shape, so you can match your mood or your outfit. It's about how this look makes you feel, powerful, glamorous, and creative. There's something empowering about transforming your lips and seeing yourself in a new light. With just a few products, you can sculpt your own features and express your style. Lip liners, glosses, and highlighters become your tools for self-expression, letting you customize your look every day. That's the magic of makeup, and this trend delivers it big time. It's about transformation, creativity, and having fun with your routine. Ready to try it yourself? Let's see how to get the look and unlock your juiciest, most dimensional lips yet. Before we start, let's gather your juicy 3D lips toolkit. You'll need a gentle lip scrub to smooth away any dry skin. Follow with a hydrating lip balm for a soft, moisturized base. Grab a creamy lip liner 1 or 2 shades darker than your lips. This is key for sculpting. Pick a lipstick a few shades lighter than your liner for that 3D pop. For highlight, use a light concealer or a shimmery eyeshadow. The star, a thick, high-shine gloss, clear or with a hint of shimmer. A small lip brush will help blend everything seamlessly. With these tools, you're set for a flawless dimensional pout. Ready? Let's prep those lips. Let's prep. Start with a lip scrub. Massage gently to remove dead skin and boost circulation. Wipe away the scrub and feel the instant smoothness. Next, apply a nourishing lip balm with ingredients like shea butter or hyaluronic acid. Let the balm absorb for a few minutes while you do the rest of your makeup. Before lining, blot off any excess balm so your liner stays precise. This prep ensures your lips are smooth, hydrated, and ready for color. A flawless base makes all the difference for juicy 3D lips. Don't skip this step. It's the secret to a seamless, long-lasting look. Now your lips are prepped and primed. Let's move on to sculpting. Grab your liner and let's get artistic. Time to sculpt. This is where the magic begins. Sculpting your lips is an art form that can transform your entire look. With a few strategic lines and contours, you can create the illusion of fuller, more defined lips. Take your deeper lip liner and start with the Cupid's bow, tracing just above your natural line for a lifted look. This step is crucial for creating that perfect pout. Continue lining the upper lip, bringing the line back to your natural edge at the corners. Keep the fullness in the center. This technique helps to maintain a natural yet enhanced appearance. For the bottom lip, overline just the middle third, then taper back to your natural line at the corners. This subtle overlining can make a big difference in the overall fullness of your lips. Now add contour, shade the outer corners of both lips with the liner for depth. Contouring adds dimension and makes your lips look more three-dimensional. Focus the darkest shading at the corners, fading toward the center for a soft ombre effect. This gradient effect is key to achieving a natural look. Don't fill in the whole lip, just the outer thirds. This technique keeps the center of your lips looking plump and inviting. For extra dimension, draw a short vertical line in the center of your bottom lip to mimic a natural crease. This small detail can make your lips look even more realistic. These details create a realistic plump effect. The goal is to enhance your natural beauty while adding a touch of artistry. Precision matters, but don't stress. Blending comes next. Blending will soften any harsh lines and make your lips look seamlessly sculpted. This step is the foundation of your 3D look. A well-sculpted base makes all the difference. Take your time and enjoy the process. Sculpting your lips should be a fun and creative experience. Your lips should already look fuller and more defined. The transformation is almost complete. Ready to fill and highlight? Let's make them pop. The final touches will bring your sculpted lips to life. Now, fill in the center of your lips with your lighter lipstick. Focus on the middle, not the corners. This spotlight of color brings the center forward for maximum fullness. The contrast between dark edges and a bright center creates the 3D illusion. Next, highlight. Dab a tiny bit of light concealer or shimmery highlighter on your Cupid's bow and the center of your bottom lip. This catches the light and lifts your lips even more. Just a touch. Think glow, not glitter stripe. The highlight above your bottom lip's vertical line makes it look extra pillowy. These steps are what make juicy 3D lips truly pop. You're almost done. Just one more step. Let's blend and gloss. Time to blend. Use a lip brush or fingertip to soften the edges where liner meets lipstick. Aim for a smooth gradient. No harsh lines, just a seamless transition from dark to light. Take your time. Blending is what makes the look professional. Now, the grand finale gloss. Apply a generous layer of high-shine gloss all over your lips, starting at the center. The gloss amplifies the highlight and deepens the contour, making your lips look even juicier. Watch as your lips transform. Plumper, shinier, and totally irresistible. The gloss ties everything together for that signature 3D effect. Step back and admire your work. You've mastered the juicy 3D lips trend. Get ready for compliments. Let's talk about how to customize this look. The best part? Juicy 3D lips work for any occasion. For a natural look, use shades close to your own lips and keep the overlining subtle. Lightly contour the corners and use a sheer gloss for a believable plump effect. For full glam, go bold. Try a deep liner with a vibrant center color for dramatic contrast. Amp up the contour and use a sparkly highlighter for extra dimension. Finish with a glitter or metallic gloss for a show-stopping finish. The technique stays the same. Just adjust the colors and intensity. Whether you want soft and natural or bold and glam, this trend has you covered. Play, experiment, and make it your own. The possibilities are endless. Why is juicy 3D lips the trend of the moment? It's the perfect mix of social media magic and evolving beauty standards. The shine and dimension look incredible on camera, making it a favorite for influencers and makeup lovers. It fits right in with the glass skin and glossy brow trends, modern, fresh, and radiant. This look combines the best of past trends, overlining, contouring, with a youthful, glossy twist. It's proof you can get fuller lips with artistry, not just procedures. Most importantly, makeup should be fun and expressive. Juicy 3D lips let you play, experiment, and discover what makes you feel beautiful. There are no rules, just creativity. Grab your products and give it a try. You deserve to shine, sisters.